Well, as you heard, the story of this storm is really in the Southtowns right now. Several feet of snow already on the ground, making doing just about anything, including traveling, difficult. Channel 2's Dave McKinley's been experiencing that firsthand today. He is joining us now. So, Dave, I don't even have to ask how the conditions are right now.
Can't hear him. Plug it back in.
Dave, you got me?
Yes, I think Elise said it best when she said just a few minutes ago regarding these areas down here, the Southtowns, specifically Hamburg, where I am right now, just off of Mile Strip Road. It has not stopped, folks. It has not stopped since last night. It's continuing. It's continuing to come heavy. This is about the heaviest we've seen it here in about, I would say the last couple of hours. So as far as this thing backing off, being less intense, well, it hasn't decided to do that right now. So here's the problem, though, and the county executive referred to this. The problem is if you venture out onto the roads, even in a vehicle that you think can handle this sort of stuff, it is very likely you're not going to get very far before you encounter other vehicles which simply can't, which are going to block your path, so you're still not going anywhere. And of course, this can also hamper the efforts to plow out these roads. And believe me, we've seen cases today where plows were stuck. You're seeing some here which are trying to clear the thruway, which wasn't open anyway. But the visibility there along near exit 56 in Hamburg gives you just an idea of what those folks are trying to deal with, along with trying to get, perhaps ambulances and emergency medical vehicles to others who have a need for that right now. And if they can't get through, of course, that creates a whole another problem. So all in all, we've seen it all day long. Traffic's being stopped, trucks being stopped in the road, stuck, and just an absolute mess out here in Hamburg. In fact, one of the things that the county executive referenced was a major incident on Mile Strip Road. It happened near exit 56 of the thruway in Hamburg. We happened upon that earlier today, and later on tonight we're going to show you how that occurred. We'll break it down for you at 6, anatomy of a pileup, if you will, just to kind of illustrate how quickly these sorts of things can happen. But again, as we're back here, we've hunkered ourselves down into a plaza parking lot on Mile Strip Road, which we had noticed had been cleared continuously by some payloaders. But even their efforts, we've been here for a couple of hours. They must have gone over this thing 5 times, and they still have to go over it because that is the rate of the snow that continues to come down here in these hard-hit areas of the Southtowns. So let's go back inside to you now that you get a look at what's going on down here right now.